I put it on my Christmas list, but then I saw TikTok dropped it on like this big Black Friday sale. So I ordered it for myself. I'll have to come up with something else for Christmas now. But look at this. I even was able to get, I haven't opened it yet, but I got a really pretty color. Isn't it cute? Okay, so I keep seeing people use it on here. Look at, there's different settings. So you can put it on the towel warmer settings, facial steamer, or humidifier. It comes with this for filling it up, I guess. And then look at this. This was like an extra bonus that was included where it has all these like tools for when you steam your face. I don't know how long the sale lasts though. It's insanely discounted.